Hey, this is Dr. Brian Powers. We're going to use Google Sheets to do some statistical analysis, and we're going to start with getting sample statistics. I'm going to show you two ways to do it. The first way is using the formulas. So I'm going to calculate the mean, the median, and the standard deviation. And these are done exactly the same as you would in Excel. The average formula is used. I'm going to average, and I'm going to calculate the average median listing price for Northeast down to row 179. And you can see the formula has calculated the mean. To calculate the median, I'm going to actually use the same range. So I'm going to go and copy D6 to D179. Calculate the median. Okay, and the standard STDEV.S, that's the sample standard deviation. Okay, that should be formatted as dollars as well. Let's go up to format. Actually, there's a button for that. I don't need all the decimal places. Okay, that's enough precision. So that's how you calculate it. Now I'm going to show you the second method, and the next one is I'm going to be using an add-on called the XLMiner Analysis Toolpak. If you don't have this, you can go up to Get Add-ons and search for Analysis, and you'll find XLMiner Analysis Toolpak. And you just have to click it to install it. It'll install very quickly. Okay, now add-ons. Start. All right, you can see it has a lot of different things. This is very similar. In fact, it's a duplication of the analysis toolpak in Excel. What I'm going to do is go to Descriptive Statistics, choose my input range as the same input range, D6 to D179, and I'm going to I want all of this stuff. Let's see, okay, I'm just in H13. That's a good output range. Actually, when you click on the output range cell input here, whatever cell is currently highlighted is going to be automatically placed in there. So I'm going to click OK, and now we're going to see the all the statistics that get calculated for me. And you can see I get the mean, the standard error, which we aren't using right now. The median is here, the standard deviation is here, and so forth. So we get a lot of it, but we only needed those few.